Hey guys, let's get right into installing FilmPlus and quickly stripping out those annoying in-app ads.
If you don't know, FilmPlus is an awesome third-party app for streaming free HD movies and shows. Here's the 3-step breakdown to get this running perfectly on your Android TV device. First step, launch that downloader app. Make sure you've enabled unknown sources in your settings first. All right, see the upper right-hand corner? Go ahead and click that little hashtag icon up there. Now punch in this exact downloader code for the TroyPoint toolbox, 250931. Hit load. It's going to automatically redirect you straight to the download page in just a few seconds. Scroll down until you spot FilmPlus. Found it? Great. Click that official version link right there. Give it a sec. Just wait for the application file to finish downloading directly to your device. Soon as that download wraps up, go ahead and hit the install option popping up on screen. Get a Google Play Protect warning? No worries. Click more details and then simply install anyway. Once it finishes, just click Done. Wait though, don't open the app quite yet. One step left. Choose Delete to trash that installation file. We want to save your device's precious storage space. Hit Delete again to confirm. Boom. That's the whole installation phase completely finished. Super easy, right? But FilmPlus comes with annoying ads. So how do we nuke those banners and videos completely? We can actually eliminate them fast using Surfshark VPN's Clean Web feature. Just 3 quick steps. First up, launch Surfshark right from your device's menu and tap over to the Features tab. Next, toggle that Clean Web feature to On. This acts like a shield, blocking all incoming ads instantly. Now, jump back into FilmPlus. Just like magic, every single ad is completely gone. Smooth sailing. You're all set to enjoy real debrid, subtitles, tracked, and direct downloads for your offline viewing pleasure.